The streets is calling. Hello, Bart. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. We doing some things today. Hello. Like I told you guys, I will be on vacation next month, so I will be outside, okay? So I'm trying to get my looks together now, okay? Essence Fest is coming up, and I think this may be a contender. Oh, I think she might be. Now today, we will be doing this entire look together. That means the hair and the makeup from A to Slay. Now, it has been a hot minute since I've done a makeup look, and I decided to come back and give you guys a clean makeup look. That's what they call it on TikTok. It's kind of a revamp of the word minimalistic. Like, it's still giving me, you know, that type of vibe or whatever. But you know, TikTok is like that little kid that tries to revamp stuff that already been done. Yeah. Now, if you want to see something in particular, you can definitely check the timestamps down below. I will also list all the products that I use down below, so you can check those out. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, we need to get our hair together. I got these wig caps from Amazon. I will link them down below. It's like 20 in a pack. And y'all can see my hair is just pulled back in a little bun because I'm about to do a crochet video for you guys as well. I bought these joints a while ago and I didn't, okay, big hair friendly. Yeah. Okay, but today we are doing some hair and some makeup. I gotta practice my looks for the summer. Okay, your girl's gonna be outside. I told you already. Essence Fest is up first, so I wanna see if this week is gonna make it. Okay, put on some chapstick because I'm like a crackhead. Okay, so I got my wig right here. It's still a little damp, so let's kind of get the rest of that water out. Now, like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs of my unit will be right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I didn't realize this is a closure unit, so I'm not gonna be able to do what I wanted to do with it, but we still gonna give this joint a look because I like the really full curly wigs and I want this to kind of give that look. A lot of you guys like when I do the installs, you know, all at once, so you know, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it together so you guys can see in real time basically how I style my wigs instead of, you know, me speeding through the process. Y'all know I can't go nowhere without my wig grips. Oh yeah. Let me scooch up a little bit. All right, so we're just gonna put this joint on. Let me put this back a little bit. Put it on like this. Okay, there's some layers here in the front, so I think, he out there cutting my grass. Okay, it's okay, y'all. If y'all hear it, then shh, don't worry about it, okay? This could be kind of cute. We're gonna try to see, but this parting space not cute. We don't want that. I want a little bit more parting space up in mine. So what I'm gonna do first, before I cut anything off, is take some hair out this parting space. We're just gonna pull it out like this. Pull it down. It's not giving pre-pluck, so we gotta go in and, you know, do some things. Beauty Forever, you normally give us pre-pluck. What happened with this one, huh? It's okay, but just don't let it happen again, okay? I need a hairline, even though I'll probably hide it, but they ain't their business. There we go. Get my tweezers to work like this. Y'all see that? Uh-oh. Don't want to bust a hole in it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and make sure my lace is good. So I'm gonna use my 330 Fit Me powder. This is a pressed powder that I got from Walmart. The lace is already brown, but I just wanna make sure that it matches, you know, my skin tone. So I'm just gonna tint it a little bit more. Not much. I don't want to use my 360 mocha because that'll be a little bit too dark. And this closure, y'all, is not really a closure. I'm just now noticing that. It's more like a T-part. Like you see this? It has the tracks attached to it. So it's not giving closure. It's giving T-part, which again, I did not realize that's what this was. But we still gonna make it work. You can still turn this joint to the side if you want to. It just may cut into, you know, it just may change your ear tabs. With my wig grip on and the straps in the back, I would say this is given, I mean, it's given big head friendly. It's not all the way down onto my sides, but you know, I've never really had that in T-part wigs or, you know, closure wigs in general. Let me cut in the middle just to make sure that it's not gonna be all crazy when I do it. For the lace, you just using your razor to cut it across, okay? Follow the hairline and you'll be fine. I will be using my mousse today, so this is my Esha Daily Edge Mousse to make sure my hairline is straight. I'm just gonna brush some of the hair down. That lace right there is a little bit too much. And now we are going to define these curls. So we'll be using my frizz-free curl mousse by Shea Moisture. Shake it on up. So I'm gonna work in sections just to make sure I get it, you know, how I want it. It's a new bottle, so let me go ahead and get it pumped out. And I am gonna trim just a smidge off my ends to make sure they are defined like I want them. There we go for that side. Put a little bit more back here. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and do this side real quick. Boom, there we go. Okay, so yeah. And now I'm going to take my diffuser and we're going to diffuse and dry these curls, okay? All right, so first things first, I need to prime my face, and this is going to be a very simple makeup look. This is like my everyday makeup look when I'm trying to look made up. Folks on the tickety talk call it clean makeup. I don't really know if that's what I'm doing, but that's what, you know, that's what I think I'm doing, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all don't know I do have a brow tutorial on my channel. The products are still the same, but the technique may change. So go ahead and check that out if you want to. If you guys want an updated brow tutorial though, let me know. Let me scooch up a little bit. And we're gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color, I think this is orange. Yeah, orange corrector. Put it around my dark spots. So if you want to try to alleviate or lessen the appearance of dark circles or, you know, discoloration or hyperpigmentation around your mouth or under your eyes, side of your face, all that kind of stuff. If you have it, you can definitely use the orange corrector for that. But just make sure it dries down before you apply like your foundation, because if not, you'll turn your foundation orange. And I've done it before and it's not cute. Okay, I'm gonna use the concealer 410 on my lids just to make sure my color stands out. Buff that out a little bit. I'm gonna use some of my pressed powder here. I don't even know which one this is, but I know it's by Black Radiance. I just don't know what color it is. So I'm just gonna use some pressed powder all over my lids. Kind of give me an even base. And then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette here. This is the Valhalla 2 palette. And I'm going to use this color here, this dark brown color, and this peachy shade right there. So it's ASAP and Lit. Those are the colors I'm going to use. My makeup has pretty much been the same for the last couple years now. I haven't changed my technique because I found what works for me. So put it on the outside V like that. Oh, wait, my shoulders are up by my ears. God dang, let me relax. Ooh, this band is hurting a little bit. I don't know my own strength, Lord. Let me take a flat brush. I'm gonna put the color Lit on my eyelids. Go back in with my ASAP brush. Blend that top out. I think we're good with that. So now I'm going to take, ooh, child. Now I'm going to do my foundation. Okay, a little bit of my D50 CoverGirl foundation. Come on, I know you got some in there, come on. There we go. I've only been using a little bit of foundation and I realized that's all I need. I've been putting way too much foundation on my skin and I be looking real cakey when I go outside. A little bit goes a long way. This definitely gives off a more natural look. Work it out, bring it down the neck, ooh. All up in my jugular. I'm gonna go in with my 415. Honey. Conceal, conceal, conceal. A little bit down the nose. That should be good. Then I'm gonna dig into my contour. It's time for another one. I know, but it's still something in there. Just keep digging, just keep digging. I'm gonna keep digging on in there until it's nothing. I'm getting my money's worth. You hear me? Even though it was free. Contour the nose. A little bit like that. We're letting the contour, or not the contour, we're letting the concealer. Letting the concealer dry down a little bit. This one, oh, what am I doing? This is the wrong brush. Oh, child. Okay, I'm gonna start buffing it out from the outside in. It's like a whole painting. I'm getting my face together. Bob Ross in this joint. I mean, maybe not Bob Ross. Yeah, because apparently on TikTok, they said Bob Ross was a little I don't know if that's true or not, but I ain't trying to find out. They over there ruining my childhood. God dang, I gotta scroll with caution. Lord. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this out. Like this. I'm taking my sponge. I'm gonna spray it with some water. I'm just gonna make sure all this is blended in. Laura Mercier translucent powder. Let me put a little bit more. Got me a fresh one so I can stop scraping out the old joint and open up a new one. Okay, go real light with the powder. I said light and here we are with this. Sun. Pat that in. All right, I don't want it to sit on my face. That's how I get the cake face. I don't want the cake face. Let me do a little spray down. Use my Morphe Set and Mist. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Ooh, BH Cosmetics, not BH Cosmetics, my Black Radiance. Then I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour. Hit and pan, that's okay. Use that right there. Okay, also under the chin. And then I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place bronzer in the color Dark. And I'm gonna use the top one here. Right on top of that contour like that. Up into the brow bone. Oh, what's crawling on me? Good. Oh, that's hair. I'm about to knock all this stuff over. I don't play that. Get off me, get off me. Now we'll use my pressed powder in the color 360 Mocha to contour out my nose. I'm not going to use my bronzer to do that because it'll be a little bit too harsh for me. And then I'm going to take a little teeny bit, just a dab like that, okay, of my face powder and put that on a thin layer on the top of my skin to blend everything together. I'm going to finish up my brows using my Juvia's Place products. Okay, I'm gonna comb that out. This is an old joint. This is that Wet n Mild Mega Glow highlighter. I've had this joint for years. It ain't failed me yet. So You can clearly see I don't use it that much, so you know, why throw it out? I'm not in the business of wasting coin. Relax, relax. Gonna put on some mascara. Uh-oh. About to ruin my whole day if I get that crap in my eye. Ooh, I can't stand getting mascara in my eye. These lashes are from Ardell. I will link them down below as everything else in this video. While we're waiting for the lashes, I will go ahead and do my lips. I'm just wearing a gloss. This is the Juvia's Place. It's electric. You can feel it. It's electric. Ooh, she's so pretty. I'm gonna take the color Shakara from this palette, this little white shiny color right there. And put that in my tear duct area. Put some black liner right there. Spray it down one more time. Okay, so we're gonna unwrap this. If I can get it unwrapped. I think I tied it too tight. I'm just gonna try to take it off like this because I don't want to cut this. It's the only one that I got. I'm gonna take it off like that. I tied it too tight. Again, it's glueless, okay? So it's just sitting on my head like that. Where's my pick? Okay, I'm just gonna fluff the hair out. Trying to fluff it as big as possible. Fluff it to the front. Try to give me some lift back there. It's still a little damp, so I'm gonna go in and diffuse it a little bit more. Just keep on diffusing to your desired, you know, fullness or whatever. Mine is still a little damp in there. But this hair is, y'all, it's soft. Okay, it is soft. And fun fact, I co-washed my hair with Dawn dish detergent because I could not find my actual conditioner. So I just used what was right there in the sink. And it took that smell right on out, okay, because it does come with that chemical smell, which we all despise. And yeah. Hold on, let me fix my wig grip. It's sliding back a little bit. I didn't have it tight enough, so let me tighten it down. Just pop her right back on. Now I'll put the combs up under there. That's better. Excess contour right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of my knot eraser here in the middle. Okay, I don't wanna mess this up, so let me put my glasses on real quick. I just wanna put a little bit right here. That's a little bit too light. Let me use a little bit of my contour color. A little bit of contour on my lace. Take a little bit of that out. Right there. Like this and like that. Ooh, this looks good, okay? Hello, Bart. Did we do it or did we do it? Okay, so you can already tell I love it. It's a real messy type of look. Like, it's cute. It is cute, okay? And again, this is only a T part, I part. It's not an actual closure because like I said, the tracks are on the closure. So I'm pretty sure it's a T part wig. But again, all the specs are down below. And once you define the hair the first time, if a curl is kind of loose or it looks a little frizzy in certain areas, just kind of spot check it a little bit. So what are we thinking, y'all? The makeup look, the hair, everything I feel like came together really nice. I did get some shedding when I did my co-wash, but no tangles. Due to it being a lower density, I don't got to worry about a whole bunch of tangles in my unit. So I'm here for this. But even with the lower density, you guys see how full and big this hair can get. So listen, the streets, the streets is calling. Giddy up. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. As always, I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.